Hello students, so today our topic of discussion is ecological rules, and in this first we are going to discuss about Allen's rule. So Allen's rule states that animals living in colder climates, they have shorter extremities. Now what do you mean by extremities? That is their tails, ears and beaks in birds, right? So shorter the extremities, the lesser will be the loss of heat from the body. For example, in case of foxes, like in Arctic fox, here you can see that the size of the pinny, it is very small, right? This is because the Arctic fox, it lives in the Arctic region where the climate is very cold, so it needs to conserve its heat. So for that, the size of the ears is very small. Then next is the in case of red fox, here you can see that the size of the ears, it is intermediate in size because it lives in the temperate regions. And next is the desert fox. So in case of desert fox, you can see the size of the ears is very large. This is because the desert fox, it lives in warmer climates, so they need to lose the body heat. So greater the size of the ears, the greater will be the loss of heat from the body. So it is an adaptation to live in the given climatic conditions. So next rule is the Bergman's rule, and it states that animals living in the colder climates, they have larger body size. Why larger body size? Because in large body size, the surface area to volume ratio decreases, right? While the animals with the shorter body size, उनमें जो surface area to volume ratio है वो higher होता है. So higher the surface area to volume ratio, greater is the loss of heat from the body, and lesser the surface area to volume ratio, lesser will be the loss of heat from the body. तो इसीलिए जो animals which live in the colder climates, they have large body size. For example, polar bear है, Arctic penguins हैं, because they are living in the colder climate, so the body size is large ताकि उनका surface area to volume ratio कम हो जाए, and this is how they will lose less body heat, less heat from the body. And the animals with shorter body size, जैसे कि brown bear है, it is shorter in size. Penguins which live in the equatorial Galapagos Islands, they are also smaller in size because so the small size, it increases the surface area to volume ratio. So surface area to volume ratio जब हाई हो जाएगा तो इससे क्या होगा, it will lead to greater loss of heat from the body. तो इस तरह से they will be able to survive in the warmer climate. So I hope this topic is clear to you.